Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the world of weight loss gadgets to talk about the Lyfanog Wristband. This product claims to help you shed those extra pounds without changing your diet or exercise routine. But does it really work, or is it just another scam? Let's find out. Quick disclaimer, all the information in this video is based on reviews and reports from multiple sources online. We're not endorsing or promoting this product, just sharing the facts so you can make an informed decision. The Lyfanog Wristband claims to help with weight loss by losing supposed detoxing and health benefits that require no diet changes or exercise. It's marketed as a simple wristband that you wear every day, and according to the ads, it will help you drop pounds. But here's the thing. There's no official website, no Trustpilot reviews, and no credible third-party discussions about its effectiveness. In fact, when we dug into the malware tips review, it's pretty clear that the Lyfanog Wristband is a scam wrapped in a thin veil of pseudoscience and emotional manipulation. The review points out that this product preys on people who are looking for a quick fix to their health issues. There are claims of miraculous success stories, but most of these testimonials are either fake or doctored images with no reliable evidence to back them up. If it sounds too good to be true, it probably is. These types of products often use misleading marketing to exploit vulnerable individuals, hoping for a shortcut to better health. One forum even said that the Lyfanog Wristband is an absolute scam, and I'd have to agree based on what's available. So, does the Lyfanog Wristband really work? No, it doesn't. It's a scam that offers false hope and promotes unhealthy shortcuts to weight loss. Don't fall for it. Instead, stay skeptical, research thoroughly, and always look for reliable evidence-backed products when it comes to your health. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.